Tired of RAG systems that become obsolete the moment your data updates? Static architectures fail when dynamic environments demand real time adaptation, like handling live customer queries during a product launch or syncing research databases across continents. This skill gives you autonomous retrieval agents with contextual awareness, self improving generation modules via reinforcement learning, real time knowledge base synchronization using vector delta updates, and feedback loops that optimize themselves. Whether you're an AI engineer wrestling with latency, an ML practitioner drowning in manual tuning, or a data scientist craving autonomy, this is your escape hatch. Static systems are so 2023. Here's what's inside the building-agentic-rag-system skill. You'll master dynamic query routing that prioritizes retrieval sources based on task urgency, adaptive chunking algorithms that re-encode documents as new data arrives, and reinforcement learning pipelines that refine generation quality using user feedback signals. Dive into vector database synchronization protocols that maintain millisecond consistency across distributed nodes, and hybrid retrieval agents blending keyword, semantic, and temporal signals. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples, from financial compliance tracking to clinical trial data analysis. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your RAG system just grew a brain. Installing the Building Agentic RAG System skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-agentic-rag-system. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance on multi-agent orchestration, feedback loop instrumentation, and vector delta synchronization. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to deploy retrieval agents with contextual memory, optimize generation modules using PPO algorithms, and maintain real-time knowledge base integrity. No coffee required, though we recommend it. Upgrade from static to sentient in 60 seconds flat.